Hey everybody, giving you a review and demo of this electric spin scrubber cleaning brush. This is cordless and has an adjustable extension handle and is ideal for cleaning the bathroom, bathtub, toilet, floor, kitchen. But I'm going to do a demo showing you it goes beyond that. You can actually clean your tires, your rims, your wheel well. You can get underneath that rim to get other elements of the tire. And that's because it has special brushes that are designed for that. This is a really cool item. And out of the box, you're going to get the scrubber itself, which comes in different sections that are easy to connect. You're going to get those 4 brushes, and you're going to get the charger for it, and also a optional holder that you can easily clasp if you want to set this on the wall. So you pretty much have everything that you need to start cleaning, and once this is fully charged, you're going to get up to 90 minutes of cleaning, and it recharges quickly, by the way. Now let's talk about those brushes, because I think those are important to highlight. You have 4 different brushes. The one that I use to clean my tires is more of a pointed brush, and that's why it's perfect for that purpose, is because it can get into those harder to reach areas and clean parts of the tire that I otherwise wouldn't be able to get to unless I took off the rim. So I think that's really neat. You also have a brush that is more mushroom shaped, and that can be used for the bathtub. You have a wider base brush, and that can be used for cleaning the floor, and a more standard brush, which can be more of your common surface areas like the stove top, the countertops, parts of the floor that might be a little bit harder to reach where you wouldn't use that wider one. But I think it's great that you have all these options to choose from, and what really makes this special is that it's cordless. You don't have to deal with any messy wires, and you don't have to bend down and do that work of cleaning where it's tough on the back, tough on your arms. You can actually stand upright and even hold things in your other arm while you do this. So there are plenty of reasons why this is going to make cleaning a lot easier, and it's going to save time and clean efficiently. The dual spinning speed of this spin scrubber cleaning brush is perfect for tackling tough, stubborn dirt, and I would consider it to be revolutionary in cleaning, because I used to use the products where I would have to get down on my hands and knees and clean, and that's never fun. So that is your up-close look at this. I think it's a great gift idea too. I love that it's easy to charge, holds the charge well, and you can just easily pop off those brush heads. You just pull it off and pop it on and interchange them depending on what your cleaning needs are. So that is your up-close look at this electric spin scrubber cleaning brush. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.